Alright guys, today I got my hands on the new Mi Band 5. Just bought at Mi Store dekat mana tu? Central ICT. So dekat sana ada variant hitam only. Dia kata kalau nak color-color boleh order online lah. I mean dia punya band tu lah. Okay, so ni dia punya spec 9.1 colourful screen. So screen dia ada colour macam ni. Then water resistant macam biasa lah. Then the normal monitoring, heart rate semua. And then physiological cycle recording. Ni tak tahu apa nama. Mungkin untuk dia punya waktu period kot. Okay, lagi apa dekat kotak ni. Okay, kita ada multi-spot mode tracking, magnetic charging, all day sleep tracking, 14 day battery life. Okay, so ini adalah selling point untuk, mungkin lah one of the selling point for this this band lah. Okay, so let's jump to the unboxing. Woo! It open now. So what we have here is the cable, I think for the charging. Okay. Then we have the band itself. Nothing more else. Standard documentation. And that's all. Right, let's jump on to the band itself. Wow, quite nice. So orang kedai tu kata need to charge 2 hours first before we can start it up and pair with any of your smartphone lah. Okay, so pair first. So this one maybe have power, so kita charge dulu lah. And then let's see the charging port. So bentuk dia macam ni. Dan seperti Mi Band yang sebelum ni, kita kena buka dia punya strap in order to charge. Tapi not for this one. So kita boleh directly, like that. Dia terus magnetic. Bagi fokus sikit. Korang nampak lah. So dia magnetic lah. So no need to cabut dia punya jam tu lah. Dia punya band this thing lah. Okay, so once we charge, kita tengok ada apa.